Seriously, are you asking this question? How to save money with 10,000 salary? Well, I have a solution for this. But do you know what? What you need to make sure that you will follow with a discipline. Disclaimer, you can't live your whole life with 10,000 salary. You need to move on to the next level. That's why I provided you how to save money with 10,000 salary and also how to take the next step. Number one, stop unwanted expenses. Listen, in order to save money, you need to save the amount of money from somewhere to start saving, right? Considering you earn 10,000 rupees and no one is dependent on you because 10,000 rupees seriously is too low to fulfill many people's requirement. And when it comes to tier 1 cities like Mumbai, forget about fulfilling your desire. You can get your needs done in 10,000 rupees. The second thing is that no matter how much you try to save, you can only save a maximum up to rupees 10,000, which is practically not possible to save all 10,000 rupees from 10,000 salary because you do have some expenses of college fees or whatever. Still, you can at least try to save 20 to 30% of salary. So in this case, let's say you save 3,000 rupees every month from your 10,000 salary. Number two, invest that 3,000 rupees. Well, when I talk about investing, people always look to invest that amount of money in stocks or anywhere else. You don't want to do this. Yes, you heard it right. Don't invest that amount of money in stocks. Instead, invest that amount of money upgrading your skills, buy some course or acquire some skills so that you can raise the bar of your skills. Now, once you are done with this, you are going good. Number three, look for high paying job. Once you acquired that high paying skill, you can look for a good job. I know it might take 3 to 6 months to acquire that new skill, no problem. Simultaneously, you can look for a high paying job while continuing your previous job. Don't leave your job. Once you get good paying job, then only you can leave your previous low paying job. Number four, time to save money. Now, it's a great time to save money because you never know what will happen tomorrow. So, I highly suggest that you should take care of money. Don't waste unnecessary amount. You can try the 30-day saving rule to maximize your savings. Number five, create emergency fund. Well, it's very important to make an emergency fund. The emergency fund is something that you save some amount of money for your uncertainty, which can happen anytime with anyone. So it's highly said to make an emergency fund. Number six, do budgeting. Budgeting is very important. If you want to make yourself disciplined with money, you need to make sure that you create a budget and stick to it. Number seven, invest money in stocks. Now it's right time to invest money in stocks or anywhere where you know. Don't blindly invest your money if you don't know anything about that particular stock or whatever. Go and study and then put your money in stocks. Number eight, have patience. It is time taking. I have not given any shortcut that will help you to save money with a 10,000 salary. I had provided practical steps to get a solution of how to save money with 10,000 salary and move on to the next level. So I highly suggest you should follow few months and I'm sure you will get to your goals if you seriously and sincerely follow it.